Before lecture, I am discussing PHP 10. This lecture, I am discussing the echo command and PHP variable. Let's see the discuss echo command. Echo is a language construct, not a function. Therefore, you don't need to use parentheses with it. But if you want to use more than one parameter, it is required to use parentheses. The syntax of PHP echo statement is echo string $argument1. Let's see. Echo statement can be used to print the string, multi-line string, accepting characters, variables, array, etc. Some important points that you must know about the echo statements are: echo is a statement which is used to display the output from web browser. It is used with or without parentheses. It does not return any value. We can pass multiple strings separated by a comma. It is faster than the print statement. Let's see example of PHP echo command. Let's see script of PHP. Open the angular bracket $PHP. Echo statement is used to display the output from web browser. Let's see command echo hello PHP echo. Script is completed. Then output will be displayed in web browser is hello by PHP echo. Next, discuss the PHP variable. PHP variable is declared using a $sign followed by the variable name. Some important point to know about variables. A PHP is a loosely typed language. So we do not need to declare the data types of the variables. It automatically analyzes the values and makes conversions to its correct data type. After declaring a variable, it can be used throughout the code. Assignment operator is used to assign the value to a variable. PHP automatically converts the variable to the correct data type depending on its value. Variables are used to store the data. Let's see syntax of variable is $variable name is equal to value. Rules for declaring PHP variables is a variable must start with a $sign followed by the variable name. It can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. PHP variable name cannot contain spaces. One thing to be kept in mind that the variable name cannot start with a number or special character. PHP variables are case sensitive, so $name and $capital name both are treated as different variable. First, see the example PHP variable declaring string value, integer value and float value. Example of open the angular brackets $PHP declare the variable $str is equal to hello string. Next variable is declared to $x is equal to 200. Next variable $y is equal to 44.6. Echo command or echo statement is used to display the value for web browser. Then command is executed. Echo $string is $str. BR tag is display is used to display the output for next line. Next echo integer is $x. Echo float is $y. Script is completed with angular bracket is closed. Output is displayed from web browser is string is hello string, integer is 200, float is 44.6. PHP variable is case sensitive. Variable names are case sensitive. So variable name color and different from color, capital color, etc. Script is writing. Example, open the angular bracket question mark PHP, declare the variable dollar color is equal to red and echo my car is dollar color. BR tag is used to display output for web browser. Second line or next line, echo my house is, concatenation operator is used, dollar color. Output is display my car is red and second is and notice is defined to undefined variable color. PHP variable rules. PHP variable must start with letter or underscore only. Example, open the angular bracket question mark PHP, dollar $a is equal to hello. Second word, declare the variable dollar underscore $b is equal to double quote मध्ये hello, echo dollar $a, br tag dollar $b. Script is completed. Output is displayed to web browser is hello, hello. PHP variable cannot be started with numbers and special symbol. Script writing. Open the angular bracket question mark PHP. Let's see, declare the variable $4C. First variable declare is equal to value assign hello. Next variable is declare to $*D is equal to hello. Then this script is executed, then output will be displayed to web browser is parse error or syntax error. PHP variable cannot be started with numbers and special symbol. Last one is rules. Loosely typed language. PHP is loosely typed language. It means PHP is automatically converts the variable to its correct data type.